next one?
So I always encourage new sellers, newbies, to start looking for low competition products. So how do they know what a low competition product is? And sometimes without tools and that sort of stuff. So I've just, Neil, if you could type in rose gold pen for me, please.
Rose gold pen, like that.
Yep.
Boom. There you go.
Yep. Now it's different to mine. If you, anyway, see up the top there, 1 to 48, it says over 1,000 results. Well, on my computer now, oh, shh. Stop it, dog.
Crazy dog in the background.
On my computer, it showed 608, which would mean this is a low competition niche.
Yes.
So, but I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page, please, Neil, and go to page 3, because I just want to make people aware of something that Jeff's done. So everything Jeff does is for, click on page 3, please. Now, see how it's moved to 6,000 results? There.
So it's gone from 1,000 to 6,000 in a heartbeat.
Yep. So you just got to be really wary of, sometimes you think you're in a low competition niche when you may not be. But the other thing too is you still need to do a bit more homework and scroll through the pages and make sure it is actually the relevant product. So you just can't rely on that sort of, and what I've been told is that figure over 6,000's change instead of giving you an actual result. So buyers don't get overwhelmed, you know, with 100,000 results or something like that. So in the old days, us sellers could know pretty quickly how competitive a niche was, but now you can't be too sure. So you need to scroll down and check it out.
That's a really, really useful little tip for people if you're doing product research, to make sure that the just because you're on page 1 and it only shows you one of 608 competing products, it does not mean there are only 608 competing products. What it means is that they've decided in their wisdom to not freak the customer out by showing them one of 6,000 results. So they've done that. Kathy, that is fan-bloody-tastic. Thanks so much. Really appreciate that.
Thanks, Neil.
All right, I'm going to mute Kathy, and then I'm going to show you one other way of getting this information. So what we've currently got here is 97 to 144 of 6,000 results. However, there are not, in all likelihood, 6,000 rose gold pens for sale on Amazon. What there will be is 6,000 results that have been indexed for rose or gold or pen, which is a much, much different thing. So another way you can find out exactly how many people are competing for a particular keyword on Amazon is to get across to Google. And if you just come to Google's homepage and you just type in site, and then whichever Amazon marketplace you're on, so amazon.com, like that. And then you come across and you're just going to take the search term you're going after in quotation marks, just like that. So now what I'm getting Google to do is I'm getting to look on amazon.com for that exact term, rose gold pen. So that's what I'm getting Google to do now. So all of the things that are indexed for the search term rose gold pen on Amazon by Google will now show. So there's actually approximately 2,050 results. So it's a different way of getting that same information, what Kathy's on. And I strongly suggest you do both. Have a look at both and see what's going out there. One more little tip for you as well, just on the back of what Kathy says. Ranking on page 1 of Amazon for the search term rose gold pen may not be such an easy endeavor to do, but ranking on Google for the search term rose gold pens on Amazon may well be a much, much easier thing to do. And what we know about Google is that whilst Amazon gets 51% of all the search volume for product-based searches in the USA, Google pretty much takes the lion's share of the rest. So if you can rank on Google as well, then you can pick up a lot of free sales as a result of that. So that's a kind of cool little thing for you as well. Kathy, massive, massive thanks for that. That's super awesome and really, really good shares. Really appreciate that.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. Switch soon.